Hi guys, I'm back with another video on ROG 3 and this video is going to be continuation of my previous tips and tricks video. There are 5 more tips which I am going to share with you along with a bonus tip in the end. So make sure you are watching this video completely and please subscribe to All About Apps and like this video. The fingerprint unlock animation of this phone is really good. But what if I say there are other good animations? In settings, go to security and select fingerprint, and now you can see the option of fingerprint animation. There are a total of 3 animations here and all of these look awesome. I personally like the first one and there is also an option in the end to disable all of these. Next tip is photo refocus. The bokeh photos taken from this camera can be refocused. Let's open any portrait mode photo and on top right you will be seeing this icon. Tapping on it will show you these options and here you can increase or decrease the background blurriness by moving the slider. Also you have the option of shifting the focus on some other object in this image just by tapping on it. Once you are happy with these settings, you can save this image. Many a times it happens that you are connected to your Bluetooth earphones and you have to play the audio from your phone speaker so that everyone can listen, but it's a pain disconnecting from the Bluetooth earphones and connecting them back again. So there is a way by which we can play the audio from the phone speaker without disconnecting from the Bluetooth earphones. Just press any of the volume up or down key and expand the settings by tapping on this icon. This button on the top of controls is nothing but the media output button and it will show the list of media out devices. Now you can select either the Bluetooth earphones or the phone speaker or the wired headphones. This way you don't have to get disconnected from any of these. If you want to avoid usage of any application for longer time, let it be watching videos on YouTube or let it be playing any game. There is a way by which you can remind yourself that you have reached the usage limit of that application. Go to the app info of that particular application and tap on screen time. Here you can see a graph showing your last 7 days usage and at the bottom you can see a app timer settings and tap on it and set a timer for the app which will reset at midnight daily. Let me set this timer for 0 minutes. Now let's go and try to open this application. You can see here that it's been grayed out and if you try to open this application, you will see this dialog. You can either tap on OK, which does nothing, or go to settings. If you go to settings, you can delete the timer and reuse the application, and now there is no limit. This is really useful when you give your phones to kids and they use any particular application for longer period, and you can trick them this way so that they can reduce their usage. Another tip of this video is related to face unlock. I started using this security option because the fingerprint sensor on this phone is not that great. The thing which I did not like about face unlock is that whenever I used to take out my phone to see the time, the face matches and it directly takes me to the home screen, and I prefer seeing the time on the locked screen. To avoid this, there is an option in security settings that you have to change. Tap on this settings icon and select first option. Here you can see the various settings on when to show the notifications and select the last one. Now the phone will be unlocked and it won't take you to the home screen, and if you want to go to the home screen you just have to swipe. With these settings you will be able to see the notification when the face is recognized, and this way the privacy is also maintained. Here is the bonus tip. It's not a big one, but still many of them don't know this. Double tap on recent key to switch between applications, but the only application you can switch to is the previous one. This is a quick and easy way which you should definitely try. So guys, that's all I had in this video, and subscribe to All About Apps for more videos on ROG 3. Thanks for watching and have a great day.